Hey friends, I'm Guneet Kaur and I'm back again with another video. I hope you liked my last video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel as it motivates me to work even more harder. Today, you guys will learn how to achieve 7+ band in your speaking, writing as well as in your reading test. So let's get started. Vocabulary for speaking and writing. So it can be very possible if you want to achieve 7+ band with your good vocabulary, good English and good pronunciation. You can use good synonyms of different words. Here you can see the list of words. Number 1 is great. The synonyms are grand and considerable. And here is an example. Mr. Chopra is organizing a grand party for her daughter's birthday. You can use the word great for the very first time, and if you're using this word again and again, it is not okay. You have to use the synonyms of the different words so that it can increase your band score in all your fall modules of IELTS examination. So try to use more and more synonyms, more vocabulary, good English, especially when you're sitting in just front of your examiner. The second one is changes. Synonyms are alterations and modifications. I need to make an alterations in my all project. You can use the word modifications too over here, but I have used the word alterations. I need to make an alteration in my all project. If you use the word changes, it's okay. It is totally okay if you're going with the word changes. It's not okay if you're using this word repeatedly in your speaking section. The next one is desires, needs and satiable. Materialistic people, insatiable thirst is increased day by day. I can rather use the word fake. I can rather use the word pretending in the place of materialistic, but materialistic sounds so good. So insatiable thirst means your needs and your desire and increase day by day. That is increasing on a daily basis. You can use also the word at an alarming rate in the place of increase day by day. So materialistic people, insatiable thirst is increased day by day. Moving on. Increase. Again the word increase. So increase, decrease, gradually decrease are the words which are probably used in your writing task 1, in which especially for the academic students, especially in your task 1 where bar graph, line graph and flow charts are described, and you have to write the information related to these graphs. And the synonyms are incline and proliferation. Proliferation is my personal favorite. I have also used this word, but not many times. You can use this word for 2 or 3 times in your speaking section. It can be okay. So example is modern societies have witnessed proliferation in the population of young drug addict. You can use the word contemporary societies. I cannot explain each and every word and their synonym because it will be too long for this video. So modern societies have witnessed proliferation. There is an increase in the young people addict, like criminal activities and the antisocial behavior. You can use any word. The next one is intensity. The synonyms are gravity, severity and seriousness. Here seriousness is a simple word. I just written over here just to make you understand the meaning of intensity. The gravity and severity. Gravity is a word which is commonly used in the introduction of the task 2 in your essay. So you can use the word gravity. Is a very good word. Example is crime has a grave concern of contemporary era. Grave concern meaning serious concern of contemporary era, modern era. Last one is seriousness. You can use the word seriousness in your speaking. It could be totally fine if you use the word seriousness, but try to use the word gravity and severity instead of seriousness. The next one is large. Huge, big and enormous are the synonyms of large. Here is an example. Enormous view of the beautiful Jaipur city can be easily seen from the top floor of Taj Hotel. So let me tell you one thing. This is a complex sentence which I combined 2 sentences in one sentence. Enormous view meaning huge view, large view. You can use the word enormous. It definitely make a beautiful impact on your speaking section. So, enormous view of the beautiful Jaipur city can be easily seen from the top floor of Taj Hotel. Use the word enormous instead of large. Next one is basic. Synonym is rudimentary. Rudimentary, basic, rudimentary. You can learn here very easily. Food, clothes are the rudimentary needs of a human life. Food, clothes are the rudimentary need. Your basic needs of a human life are food, clothes, and hunger. You can also use a sentence like many people are deprived of rudimentary needs, like food, clothes, home are your rudimentary needs of a human life. So use the word rudimentary. It sounds so good in your speaking section. The next one is countries and areas. This synonym could be very helpful in your speaking section, because you are definitely going to ask by your examiner in which city, in which country do you live. So you can use the word Riams. So pronunciation is Riams. The L is silent over here. Young people are migrating to foreign Riams in order to pursue higher education. Young people mean folks. Young people, youngsters are migrating, moving to foreign, abroad. Riams mean areas, the countries, in order to, there is a reason why, pursue higher education. For their higher education, they are moving to the other countries, the other Riams. Interesting is a common word. We use this word on our daily life. So you can use the word fascinating in the place of interesting. Some people find math and science fascinating subject. So let me clear, this is a math, not maths, not use the word maths. It's a math, or you can use the word mathematics. Some people find math and science a fascinating subject, an interesting subject, or you can use like if your examiner asks you about which destination place you find most fascinating, you can use the word I like Shimla, I like Mussoorie, the most fascinating area, I want to go again and again. So use the word fascinating, focus on the word fascinating. You can learn here, right now in this video. So it's very easy. Don't stress too much about so many words. It's a number of words, you can learn it very easily. Next one is people. In my last video, I focus on the pronunciation, how to speak the word people, and you can use the word a section of society, a school of thought. A section of society, a part of society. A school of thought, a part of a society which think particularly about a topic. This is the word which is surely going to ask you in your writing task 2 for academic students, in your essays, like if they want to ask about you, what is your opinion, what are the causes about the antisocial behavior. So you can use the word in my ideology, in my view, according to my thinking, a section of society believe that drug addiction leads to the path of antisocial behavior. So here is an example. I explained it very beautifully. The next one is also an example of people. School of thought. A school of thought firmly assert that capital punishment is considered as a justifiable verdict for those who commit criminal activities. This is also a complex sentence. Try to make more and more complex sentence by using these synonyms, because you are going to be improving yourself by using these words. A school of thought is a part of society. Firmly assert, meaning you believe that, you truly believe that. Use the word firmly assert. I truly believe that, which I'm going to discuss on my next video. You can use these words. That capital punishment means fancy. We use the word capital punishment is considered as a justifiable verdict, is a good measure, is a good approach, is the best measure. So we use the word justifiable verdict for those who commit criminal activities or who expose to criminal activities. Expose is also a synonym of commit. The next one is current. Last video I explained very deeply with current word, like contemporary, newfangled is a synonym of current. You can use the word fashion obsessed if you ever asked the topic related to the vogue and fashion, that children are more inclined towards the fashion and watching televisions and playing video games. You can use the word fashion obsessed era. Era means this the time span and a period of time or epoch. Moving on. Important. Important is another a simple word. We use it daily, I think. Synonyms are vital, essential, indispensable. So example is technology play a vital or indispensable role in your life. You cannot use the both words. You can use only a single word. Either it is vital or indispensable. Next one is deal with the situation. So this is the another word which is going to discuss in your introduction section in your writing task 1 or writing task 2 to how to deal with the situation. Like I have said earlier, what are your thoughts about antisocial behavior and what do you think that it can be changed with the human guidance and the human indulgence. You can use the word deal with the situation. It's okay to use the word deal with the situation. You can rather use the word curb with the situation, or to curb with the situation, or to eradicate the situation. Eradicate is also the synonym. Learn the word deal, curb and eradicate. Deal, curb and eradicate. Eradicate, to demolish, to erase the situation, or to handle the situation. To deal with the situation, to curb with the situation, to handle the situation, or to eradicate a particular situation, you can use these words. So here's an example. To curb with the situation of poverty. So poverty is a grave concern of our country. So to curb with the situation of poverty, everyone should come forward and play their part. Next one is differences. The synonym is disparities. Example is disparities between poor and affluent part of society. Here, affluent part of society means the rich families in our societies. Disparities meaning differences. So difference between poor and rich family. It can rather be used. Disparities between poor and affluent part of society depend upon the factor like the way of their living, their social and communication skills. I have made these sentences by my own. You can also make your sentences by using this vocabulary or synonyms, and write these sentences in my comment section. The next one is many. Many. Many is also a common word. It's a very simple word. We can use this word in our survival English. So let me tell you one thing. We cannot use our survival English in our IELTS examination. It definitely minimizes your band score. You have to use rich English or good English. So the synonyms of many are various, several, plethora, or a number of. You can add synonym a number of. Several factors, various factors, plethora of factors, or a number of factors are responsible in growing fashion. So fashion is also known as vogue. Vogue is also known as fashion. Both are the synonyms with each other. There are several and plethora of reasons that why antisocial behavior is increasing at an alarming rate. As I have explained and mentioned earlier, that increasing day by day and an alarming rate, both are the equal thing, but at an alarming rate is a modern English. You can use this word in your speaking section, definitely going to 7+ or 7.5 band in your speaking IELTS examination. Next one is behavior.